Hello, this time we're solving two-step equations, but this time there's a fraction rather than a multiple. So what we've got here is we've got y over 5, or y divided by 5, take away 3 equals 8. Just like on the previous video, we do the opposite and we always move the number that's not attached to the letter. We're basically doing the reverse of BIDMAS. So we take, what's the opposite of taking away 3? It's add 3. So you've got y over 5 equals 12. Now, just like before on the previous video, we do the opposite of dividing by 5. Now, the opposite of dividing by 5 is timesing by 5. And what that gives you is, if we times this by 5, it gives you a whole y. If we've got 5/5, it's the same as a whole one. And that's why we're timesing by 5. If you're unsure about that, this means divide, and we always do the opposite. So y equals 60. This one here, we've got a plus 3 here, so we do the opposite, which is taking away 3. So we've got x over 4 is equal to 4. Now we do the opposite here, and we can think of this as what number divided by 4 gives you 4. Most people will know that that's 16, but if we make sure we write the method, we'll get all the marks. So we've got x is equal to 16. This one here, we've got minus 4. So the opposite of minus and 4 is add 4. So you've got x over 7 is equal to 5. The opposite of dividing by 7 is timesing by 7. So x is equal to 35. Bigger numbers, same process. The opposite of adding 15, taking away 15. So x over 3 is equal to 15. Now remember, we do the opposite. So the opposite of dividing by 3 is timesing by 3. So x is equal to 45.